Hey there, Two Bones, the teaching here today. I got an Amana heat pump to show y'all. So let's get started. And all around of it. It is not running right now. Let's get a serial number. Our own serial number. Model number AXZC18060-1AB. Serial number 100416940. So this is a 5-ton heat pump. Down there we got a Copeland scroll compressor and a sound blanket, and I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's the reversing valve down there. It's a big unit. So yeah. It's a two-stage unit. It has let's get a fan motor on it. A Gentech fan motor, and powered by Copeland scroll. Got all your warning plates. This is a 17 seal. In here. That is an Amana heat pump. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Ethan out.